So, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've posted anything here, but it was due to a problem I had with my Facebook account. My email got hacked and the account linked to the Facebook account linked to the email was then also corrupted in a way. I guess many of you had the same problem. Facebook keeps you banned from your profile. You can't reach anybody there. You can only talk to bots and they direct you to help pages, and most of them are just a dead end. And luckily after around 30 days I made it possible to get my account back. Like just read it here. Thanks you for taking the time for us to review. We reviewed your account and saw that the activity on does it follow our community standards. So as you can see here, I just got an email back, which basically they said, yeah, we just reviewed your request, and yeah, you not violated any community standards. And this is the case for most of us who got hacked. The hacker posts some weird stuff, I don't know, some naked imagery, I don't know, and then your Facebook account gets banned and you have no way to retrieve it. So I'm going to show you how I did it. I tried multiple ways. I tried to contact the Oculus support team and even bought an Oculus Quest to provide a serial number, but I didn't think it will lead me anywhere because they always said, yeah, we transferred this to a Facebook support team member, and yeah, just be patient for another 7 days, and time goes by, and yeah, nothing really happens. So what I did was this. So just what you have to gonna do is to search for Facebook privacy policy questions, and it will lead you to this page. And yeah, then you have to click on this. What should if I have other questions? I still have a question, and then you have to select your country. For me, that's Germany, and then you just type your email address. I didn't use the mail. I didn't use the mail that was connected to my Facebook account. I used another Google Mail, whatever, and they will come back to you. And this is the whole conversation I had. Basically, it's in German, so I am gonna cut the details. It's just that you have to write down your account details, name, email, phone number, maybe the linked PayPal account. Yeah, then you have to verify it. They ask you to upload some proof that you're the owner of the phone number, the bill, the telephone bill or something like this. And it takes quite a while. It took me like one week or more, with constant writing back and forth with an supposed bot. But in the end, I always said I request an individual review of my account banning. And today, when I tried to log in, my account was back up again. So in the end, this was it. I just constantly kept replying to the mails and stated my problem. I got hacked. I didn't do any violation of the community terms. It was the hacker. Please re-enable my account. My money got stolen from PayPal for some Facebook ads. Please look into this. I need a human. Please make a individual review. And voila! After 30 days, after honestly I gave up hope, my account is back again. So if that helped you, please like, subscribe, ask me in the comment sections for more details if you need. And yeah, for the rest of you who are waiting for musical content, stay tuned. I hope I'm gonna post something new soon. So bye bye, take care.